Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Klaviyo. This is a powerful way to create urgency in your email campaigns and boost engagement with time-sensitive offers. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once you're on the Klaviyo homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of Klaviyo's email marketing features. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From here, click on Content. This section houses all your email templates, images, and other creative assets you use in your campaigns. Within the Content area, click on Templates. This is where you'll find all your saved email templates, both custom-made and pre-designed ones that Klaviyo offers. For this example, we're going to use a sample template to demonstrate the process. Browse through the available templates and click on any template that catches your eye. Once you've selected one, click Use Template to open it in the email editor. This will create a working copy that you can customize. Now that your template is open in the editor, look to the left side where you'll see different content blocks you can add to your email. Find the HTML block and drag it into your email template wherever you want the countdown timer to appear. The HTML block allows you to insert custom code, which is exactly what we need for adding the timer. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to mailtimers.com. This is a free tool that generates countdown timer codes specifically designed for email campaigns. The site makes it incredibly easy to create professional-looking timers without any coding knowledge. On the Mail Timers website, you can customize your countdown timer by choosing the style, colors, and duration that match your campaign. Once you've designed your timer the way you want it, click Copy to copy the generated HTML code to your clipboard. Now switch back to the Klaviyo tab where your email template is open. In the HTML block you added earlier, you'll see an option to view or edit the source code. Paste the code you copied from Mail Timers into this source code editor, then click Apply. The countdown timer will now appear in your email template exactly where you placed the HTML block. And that's it. You've successfully added a countdown timer to your Klaviyo email, creating urgency and driving action from your subscribers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.